The first thing you'll need to do is print out the Sketch Artist PDFs. Then you'll cut out all the pictures, attach them to a piece of construction paper or cardstock, either with staples or tape, it doesn't matter. Put them all inside of envelopes. And you can see that all the people are kind of unusual, which makes it fun to draw and fun to describe. So let's say I'm the witness and this is the suspect. And I'm playing with someone who's either on their phone or on their computer. So that means their screen would be back here. So if I'm playing with them and I'm describing, I'm going to hold the picture like this so that they can't see what this person looks like. So I'm going to describe this person as best I can, and the person who's drawing is going to draw them the best they can for my description. And then at the end we'll have the big reveal, and I'll turn this around and show them the picture and they'll show me their sketch. And it's always fun because it is hard to draw someone from a description. Once one round is done, then you can switch sides. Only one person needs to print out the Sketch Artist. So the way you do that is you get an envelope and you want to take this out so you cannot see the suspect, okay? And you're going to hold it up like this so the person who's looking at it can see it, but I can't see it at all. I can have a piece of paper here, I can be sketching it out, and we'll play it the same way back and forth like that.
Check out the links below for more art games, worksheets, and follow along drawing videos. Be sure to tag us on Instagram and Facebook at Pop Up Art School and show us your sketch artist drawings.